How to generate video using Sora. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. I will take you through the quick tutorial on how to generate video using Sora. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Sora is still in its experimental stage. OpenAI is working on refinement, safety considerations and collecting feedback from a limited group of testers. However, based on research, in order to generate video using Sora, there are three methods. The first method is realistic and stylized video generation. Sora excels at creating various video styles from those that perfectly imitate the real world to more stylized and artistic effects. Second, video extensions. If you have a video clip that is too short, Sora can seamlessly extend your existing footage, maintaining visual consistency. The third one is image to video. This fascinating feature allows you to take a still image and generate a complete video animation based on the contents of the original image. So this is how you can generate video using Sora. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.